Hi and welcome. I'm your host Vedika. Let's begin. Today we bring you a gripping story from Niger, where a military coup has shaken the nation's leadership for the fifth time since gaining independence. As the dust settles, Russia's colors mysteriously appear on the streets, indicating a glowing hostility towards the West. Niger's ousted President Mohamed Bazoum, a staunch ally of the West, faced opposition from militant Islamists. Amidst this turmoil, the country's vast uranium mines took center stage. Europe, particularly France, heavily relies on this uranium for nuclear power, making it a critical background. Russia's influence spreads like wildfire, leading to anti-French sentiment and protest across the country. As Russia's colors adorn the streets and anti-French sentiment spread like wildfire, a businessman from Zinna proudly displayed his pro-Russian stance. "I'm pro-Russian and I don't like France," he said. "Since childhood, I've been opposed to France. They've exploited all the riches of my country, such as uranium, petrol, and gold. The poorest Nigerians are unable to eat 3 times a day because of France." Thousands joined the protests across the nation, voicing their support for the military's intervention and denouncing French presence. Niger's uranium reserves held critical importance for Europe, especially France, which relied heavily on it for nuclear power generation. However, with the coup and Russia's growing influence, the supply of this vital fuel is now at risk. Notably, Mali and Burkina Faso also saw shifts in alliances, with anti-French sentiments rising due to perceived inaction against Islamist attacks. Europe's energy security faced fresh threats as instability surged across the Sahel region. The risk of a new energy crisis now looms, akin to Russia's actions in Ukraine. With Europe depending on uranium imports from countries within Russia's sphere of influence, the situation becomes increasingly precarious. Last year, a significant portion of France's uranium imports came directly from Russia and other former Soviet states. Now, with Putin's claim on Niger's uranium mines, Europe's energy supply hangs in the balance, gasping for stability and alternatives. As Niger faced yet another coup, its uranium-rich lands became a focal point of geopolitical intrigue. The Russian influence spread like wildfire, creating ripples of uncertainty across Europe's energy landscape. With France's uranium imports under threat, Europe's quest for energy security faces a perilous journey ahead. The parrot's cry resonated far beyond Niger's borders, signifying a tug-of-war for resources and power in the shadows of political upheaval.